Software commissioning is about modularity. It's about keeping the complexity down, limiting the choices in the software to a linear design. And one of the things that we can use the Emulate 3D setup for is to get the mechanical engineers and the software engineers aligned. Then they will also have much smoother tasks of integrating it later in the process. What we see often is that the mechanical guys, due to lack of or constraints in time and the deadlines, don't necessarily make the best function specifications for the programmers. And if they can give this 3D model to the programmers, then the programmers will be able to kick off the programming effort much earlier, and we would expect less programming time needed during the project phase. For Novo Nordisk, hardware choices is about scalability. It's about finding the hardware equipment that would limit the variety of components that we need to keep in stock to a minimum. If we have a limited hardware selection, we have modular code to a higher extent than what we've been using in the past, then we will give the programmers more time in his programming phase to think about the non-functional parts of his programming, the GAMP requirements, meaning they will have time to fill in versioning and comments and all the stuff that we need in Novo as part of the programming.
To conclude our digital twin proof of concept, we wanted as a last step to connect the real-time data from the line to the digital twin and create what we can call a digital shadow of the equipment that you can access anytime and anywhere. For example, when you do validation, if you have to do that remotely, or if you do remote maintenance, so you can get access to the whole machine and get a complementary tool to the remote maintenance solutions. For example, in aseptic production, in filling or formulation, we try to get people out of the shop floor. So now we have actually a tool or complementary tool to get the shop floor coming to you. So this could be also quite handy, specifically, as I said, in filling area.
Also, we see this tool being able to help your productivity on the total plant floor. So if you start to connect one machine, then you connect the next machine, and soon you will have the factory as a full digital twin. What we are working with right now is capturing data from the production, from the digital twin, but also from the real line. So what we want to capture is the data and then see if we have a failure. And then we want to rewind that data in the digital twin to see what went wrong. So in that case, we can release the production again very fast, as we can pinpoint the reason why the machine failed or why this product did not work as intended.
It has been quite an interesting journey, this proof of concept. We have been positively surprised. We can definitely see a huge potential for the years to come.
Basically, we have achieved learnings by the investments made. We have become more specific in what we want to achieve in the next steps. We have realized that our customers expect this from us already, and we are on the digital train running at full speed now.
We know that the journey has started for a lot of people, a lot of companies. If you want to be more productive, you want to have your time to market as one of your business drivers, you need to jump on this train now.